guys, Tammy with nursing.com. Let's talk about how to use your nursing.com account to prepare for the NCLEX. So on your NCLEX dashboard, you're going to see a bunch of boxes, and I'm going to go over each one of those with you today. So if you have your test date, go ahead and put that in right here, and we'll actually keep track of that date for you and tell you how much longer you have until your test. So this first box right here, get started. This is going to be the lesson that you left off on. So when you log back in, you can just pick right up where you left off. This next box is the NCLEX prep course. So in here, you're going to have all of the different nursing categories, and you can just review them one by one right within your course page. So this next box is our NCLEX prep book. So it's an ebook. You can just come in here and review that book right within your account. This next box is our NCLEX. It's our adaptive test that is going to mimic exactly what the NCLEX feels like. It actually increases and decreases in difficulty based on which questions you've got right and wrong, just like the NCLEX exam. Before you take the NCLEX, make sure you have about 5 to 6 hours that you can dedicate to taking it. And it's going to be just like you're taking the NCLEX. So make sure you have a lot of time there. Now, this practice question, or MPQ, this is where you're going to go to get lots of practice questions. You want to come in here to kind of see what areas you're weak in and what areas you need to come back and really review in the courses. Now, this next tab is the NCLEX study plans. So if you know how many weeks you want to you have to prepare for the NCLEX, come in here and just select that study plan. So let's go ahead and say you have 6 weeks. And this will actually give you a little cheat sheet that you can print out. And each day it's going to tell you what you need to do. So the first day you're going to review the test taking course, which will be in the prep course all the way at the very bottom. And then you're going to take some MPQ questions, 75 of them. And you want to select all categories. That's what that means. So come in here, practice questions, create a new quiz, select all categories, and then 50 questions. Then you're going to do that and then come back in here and do another 25. If you want help knowing how to review your nursing practice questions or MPQ, go ahead and go to the video review MPQ questions. Now let's go ahead and come back to our NCLEX dashboard and right here to the NCLEX. Once you've taken the NCLEX, you can actually review your exams right here. It's going to tell you if you passed, how many questions are asked, and how many you got correct. You'll be able to review your exam and review each rationale right from within your NCLEX dashboard. I hope this video helps. Please reach out if you have any questions, and we'll be happy to help you. Now go out and be your best selves today, and happy nursing.